From underneath the hood, we're going to go ahead and grab our under engine covers. Gently lift up. Can pop our trim pieces up and off. And we just work this off. On the driver's side, we're going to go ahead and release this cover here. Right on the back side of the engine, I'm going to go ahead and use our Allen wrench on our, or Allen on our ratchet. Go ahead and loosen this here. Now this is a number 6 Allen. Once that's loose, we should be able to spin that out by hand. On the top of the coil, I want to go ahead and disconnect that connector. On the top of it, should be a little tab on the left-hand side. Grab with your thumb, you can pinch it and disconnect. If you're not able to grab it, you can use a pair of pliers. I'm going to go ahead and pull that coil out a little bit, and it'll give us immediate access with our pliers here to go ahead and pinch. I'm just going to go ahead and pinch that and wiggle that connector free, like that. Go ahead and pull that coil out. And we applied a little bit of dielectric grease to the end of our coil boot and just a little dab inside. Go ahead and lower this down inside. Let's go ahead and get our Allen bolt lined up here. And get that threaded on. Let's go ahead and snug this down. I just want to snug this down into place. Once that's all set, go ahead and grab your connector. I'm going to line up that connector, press it down, and you feel it snap into place. Now you want to go ahead and repeat for the other 5 cylinders. Let's go ahead and install our rear trim panel here. Install our driver's side trim. On your original cover here, you probably had a plastic clip right here. Ours may have had one at one time, but it was missing when we got the car. Line up our plastic pins. There we go.